Everyone looks forward to the day that they can finally become an official homeowner. But many of us dread the idea of coming face to face with the loan approval process. On this episode of Designing Spaces, we're heading to Atlanta, Georgia to meet with the Hudgins family. Andrew and Denise have been renovating their home, utilizing a home renovation loan program with Northpointe Bank. After 6 months of construction, they're finally done and ready to start enjoying their rejuvenated space.
I'm Denise Hudgins. This is my husband, Andrew. And I'm originally from Ohio. Andrew's from Georgia. We have 3 children, Lance, May, and James. Lance and May are twins, and they're 9, and James is 11.
Denise and I have lived in Dunwoody since 2004, and we pulled up in front of this house. It looked great, had a lot of potential, and hadn't been taken care of quite the way that it needed to be, and we really had a vision for what we could do with it, what we could turn it into.
So we have been renovating and building homes since probably 2008. Normally, I make most of the design decisions, and he just tells me whether I'm making the right one or not.
Yeah, and I grew up building homes with my dad, so I come from a family of developers and builders, and so when we work together, Denise actually makes it look and work for our family today.
Northpointe Bank has several loan options for each homeowner's unique needs. Whether you're looking to purchase a new home, build your home from the ground up, or planning to make upgrades to your current home. The Hudgins were assigned to loan expert Mark Milam, who's a regional VP mortgage banker in the Atlanta metropolitan area. Mark's key role is to help guide the Hudgins towards the best loan program option, one that matches their project goals and dovetails into their overall financial plan.
I'm the mortgage banker. I'm the guy who steps in and tries to help problem solve. So I want to ask the client specific questions that help them understand what we're about to embark on, and so I can also realize their vision to get them to this kind of finished product. Andrew and Denise came to me, and they actually already owned this home, so they're approaching this more from a refinance perspective than a purchase perspective. But the really unique thing about their situation is that Andrew himself is a contractor. Now, most lenders are not going to let you perform the work on your own home, but Andrew's background in construction, his proper licensing, insuring, allowed us to offer him that kind of flexibility.
When Denise and I found this opportunity for this home, we went and met with Mark Milam at Northpointe Bank, went through the different lending products that he had, and what we determined was that the renovation loan from Northpointe was going to work well for us. It was easy to work through. We closed very quickly.
Now, the great thing about Northpointe Bank is that we've got a lot of tools in the toolbox that can help you accomplish your dream. So for them, the best product for them wound up being a 30-year fixed, one-time close renovation loan product. So you're just going to sit down one time at the table and get the whole thing done at once. They'll flow into their permanent financing as soon as the home is complete, so there's no second closing they have to accomplish.
Andrew is a local construction contractor, and he enjoys using Northpointe's mobile application called Built that helps him and his team of builders manage their construction projects.
At Hudgins Property Group, we're building somewhere between 2 and 4 homes or renovations per year. Proper planning, setting specs, making sure that we work through the entire process can be a challenge at times. And the Built program has allowed us to set our budgets and track our spending, and also enabled us to be able to do this not just during normal working hours, but 24 hours a day.
The Hudgins home renovation loan totaled $220,000 in construction. Let's take a look at their newly renovated dream home.
All right, well, come with us and we'll give you a tour.
So here we are in the sunroom. The original home had a screened-in porch, and we enlarged it and then opened it up so that you have not only a lot of light coming in, which Denise loves, but also a view of a natural area here in Dunwoody, which is hard to come by.
In here, we have our daughter's room, and she has her own private bathroom in there, so she doesn't have to share with her brothers, which is always good.
This is our new master suite. Lots of windows, lots of light.
So thank you for coming to see the renovations that we did on our home today.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun. The renovation was. We had a great partnership with Northpointe Bank and Mark Milam, and great experience overall. Really looking forward to enjoying many years in our homes here in Dunwoody.
Are you looking for the right finance loan for your next home renovation project? Visit northpointe.com to learn more about their variety of customizable home lending programs.